In this video, we will show you how to remove people from our group chat name on Instagram. First, see your group name on the message in here, and then select your group. Okay, in here, to remove the people, you can just click this bar. Okay, then select people. After that, remove the person that you want to remove from group. For example, I will remove these people. Click this three dot icon and select remove user. You must be an admin in here to have the rights for removing people from group. And after that, you can back, and that's all how you can remove people on the group chat name on Instagram. Hope this video helpful for you.